In this video, you will learn how to disable the creation of new teams in Microsoft Teams with the help of a PowerShell script. When enabling the Teams license in Microsoft Office, every member within the organization can create new teams, which can quickly lead to uncontrolled growth. Since the standard O365 UI does not provide the option to disable Teams creation, a PowerShell script has to be used. Before executing the script, you have to create a security group for your admins. Go to office.com and look for the M365 Admin Center. Choose Teams and Groups and click on Active Teams and Groups. Now click on Add a Group, choose the group type Security and click on Next. Give your security group a name and a description and click on Next. Decide whether you want Azure AD roles to be assigned to the group. After that, click on Create Group to finish the process. Close the window and wait until your group is created. It can take up to 5 minutes. Now go back to the M365 Admin Center, look for the group you just created and add members. After that, we can create our PowerShell script. You can find the full script in our blog post. Look in the description for the link. Don't forget to replace the placeholders with the correct name for your security group. Open Windows PowerShell, paste the script and execute it. If the execution was successful, you will see the message, Enable Group Creation is false. The creation of teams is now disabled. Users can now only join teams through a code. The possibility to create a new team has disappeared.